Alright, welcome back guys to another video. Today we're doing something a bit harder. It's gonna be something called music bot. So you want to open up your thing of choice, and then you can do npm install ytdl. Like const ytdl equal to require ytdl core. There, now we have that defined. Let's first make the commands. If command triple equals play. Now for the play, the way we're gonna have it is we're gonna have it so it is, let's say, your thing is play, and then we're gonna have the URL. So we gotta make sure that they have a URL. So what we need to do is we need to see if args 0. So that checks if that exists. If it does not exist, we need to return message dot reply. Please enter link. Now, alright, so the next we're gonna have it so it's like, now we're gonna make a function. It's gonna be called play, and then inside it we're gonna have message and server queue. Now, first of all, we need to define the server queue. So up here we're gonna have variable server queue is equal to new map. Alright, and now I'm actually gonna make the play function. Now what you also need to do is you also need to install YouTube download core. So I just installed that, and I'm gonna minimize this thing. Alright, so I'm gonna have to do async function play and message server queue constant args. So the URL is going to be equal to message content dot split and I'm going to do constant voice channel. The voice channel they're in is equal to message dot member dot voice channel, and then we do if voice channel. So if it does not exist, or if they're not in a voice channel, return message dot reply. You must be in a voice channel. And now we gotta make sure that we have actual permission to do it. So go to voice channel dot permissions for message dot client dot user, and then check if you have permission. So if permission dot has connect or permission dot has speak, then we can do return message.channel dot send. I need permission to join and play or speak in your voice channel. Constant song info is equals to await YouTube DL dot get info, and then args 1, because the first argument for args is going to be our command, since we just have split. And then we're also going to do constant song, and the title is going to be song info dot title, and the URL is going to be song info dot video URL. Alright, so first right here we're getting the information from YouTube download, and here we're just making a variable for the actual song. So, and then do if server queue. So if server queue, and so if server queue, we're gonna do constant queue construct is equal to text channel message dot channel voice channel is gonna be voice channel, and then connection null songs. It's going to be a little those square brackets. Volume right here. Alright, volume. Let's have a 5. And then playing true. Alright, and then q dot set message. Whoop. Before we do all this, we're gonna because I forgot to add one part. So this q right here is gonna be just q. So this is gonna be the global queue, and the server queue is gonna be inside of here, and it's just gonna be, I'll just have it do constant server queue equal to q dot get message dot guild dot id. So there you go. And down here, so right now we're having it so if the server has no other songs playing, then do this. So we need to put this into the queue dot set message dot guild dot id, and then queue construct, and then queue construct dot songs dot push song, and then try var connection equals to await voice channel dot join. Alright, queue construct it's gonna dot connection equals connection, and we're gonna make another function later called play song, and then it's gonna be message dot guild q construct dot songs 0. Alright, and then catch console.log error, and we're gonna do q.delete message.guild.id and return message.channel.send. There was an error playing, and then I'm gonna put in the error. So now, since we have all this inside of an if statement, we're gonna do else server q dot songs dot push song I'm just do return message dot channel dot send. Right, $sign song dot title has been added to the queue. So that's it for that function, and then we're gonna have the actual play thing. So we're gonna do function play song constant server q is equal to q dot get guild dot id if song we're gonna do server q dot voice channel dot leave. So if there's no song, leave. Q dot delete guild dot id and return. That's it. If that's not true, then I'm gonna do constant dispatcher is equal to server q dot connection dot play stream ytdl song dot url, and then the on end. So when the song ends, console dot, or actually we don't do that. We can just do server q dot songs dot shift and then play song guild server q dot songs 0, and then on dot on error we need to pass that into console.log error. And then we also need to do dispatcher.set volume log arith mic server queue dot volume /5. And now you have that. Alright, so you're gonna run this command right here. And it will install everything we need. Plus YTDL core plus Discord.js plus OpenScript and plus FFmpeg. That means that everything installed properly and we can run it. Now if we run, now if you do it. Alright. Now you can see it playing. I'm walking alone. Alright, so that's it for this video. If you have any issues, you can just post, you can come onto my Discord, Code Central. Link in the description, and you can post in the web section. Web is pretty much Discord.js, or you can go over to Discord API and go to Discord.js.